So are you struggling trying to find the perfect deep conditioning routine that works best for your hair? Well, I may have the perfect routine just for you. So keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantina here. So today I'm going to be showing you my step-by-step deep conditioning routine. This consists of a hot oil treatment, an aloe vera gel treatment, and a deep moisturizing conditioning treatment, all wrapped into one. Okay, this deep conditioning routine I have been doing for the last 7 months. I'm in love with it. My hair is thriving from it. All right, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so first you want to start off on clean scalp and hair. I shampooed my hair using the Main Choice moisturizing shampoo. I really love this shampoo because it does not strip the hair. So now that the scalp and the hair is clean, you want to start by applying your hot oil to the scalp. So olive oil is in the bottle already, and then I added Jamaican black castor oil, which promotes hair growth, avocado oil, which promotes moisture, rosehip and peppermint oil, which both promotes hair growth. And I like to give myself a nice scalp massage, which stimulates hair growth. Next, I bring the oil down the hair shaft, concentrating on the ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair and that part tends to need the most love. Then I make sure that I do get my edges. The edges are the most delicate part of your hair, so you want to make sure that you are paying close attention to it, and you want to make sure that you're adding the oil, which has the Jamaican black castor oil in it. Now for the next layer, I apply the fresh DIY aloe vera gel to the scalp and down the hair shaft. I have a complete detailed tutorial on how to prepare the aloe vera gel, so go ahead and check that out after you finish this video. So now you want to massage the aloe vera gel into your scalp and down your hair shaft. The aloe vera leaf is great for many things, but the one thing I am using it for today is for the moisturizing properties that it gives the hair. It is also a great detangler. Finally, I go in with the deep moisturizing conditioner, and the one that I'm using today is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This conditioner is so moisturizing and lightweight, it makes it easy for it to penetrate my hair strap. After I apply everything to one side, I move on to the other side, repeating the steps. So I already added the oil to this side. Next, I add the aloe vera gel, then the deep conditioner, and then next I just make sure everything is blended and absorbed into my hair. So there are a few tips to remember as a low porosity natural. The first one is always apply your product to wet hair. Number 2, always re-moisturize with warm water to make sure that your hair follicles are lifted. And most of all, do not rinse your hair with cold water. If you have low porosity hair, your hair follicles are already tightly packed, so you don't want to shock the follicles closed with cold water, causing the follicles to close before the moisture is absorbed into the hair. And if you do that, the product is just pretty much sitting on top of your hair, which is defeating the purpose. So now at this point, I'm just making sure that I am working the product into my hair thoroughly. And then I add more aloe vera gel and oil to seal it all in. And like I said, you just want to make sure that you are smoothing the product in, making sure to get every strand of hair. Then I covered my hair with a plastic cap and sat under my hot head. You want to keep this on for about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. The longer, the better, but you got to reheat your hot head if you're going to keep it on longer than an hour. So I'll be back in 1 hour. Next, I rinsed it all out and moved on to styling my hair. And I decided to do a wash and go using the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In Detangler and Curling Custard. So there you have it, my deep conditioning routine step by step. This is what I do on a weekly basis. The only thing that really changes from time to time is the deep conditioner that I'm going to be using. And I also do the same process when I'm doing a protein treatment. I truly believe that with this particular deep conditioning routine and adding my liquid vitamins that I'm taking every day and just consistency, my hair has really transformed over the last few months. I can really say that my hair is actually starting to get thicker, and it has been shiny, but it's just retaining length better. It feels better. It's soft. I mean, it feels really good. My scalp feels good. I really feel that my hair is in a complete healthy state. This process has really been a winner for me. From the deep conditioners that I'm using, the oils that I am using, and with that aloe vera gel, just putting that extra cherry on top, my hair is really thriving in this state that it's in right now. 2 thumbs up. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below if you're going to be doing this deep conditioning process for your hair, or let me know what deep conditioning process that you do for your hair. My hair is low porosity and it's medium density, so this works for me. If you are low porosity, it may work for you. Just keep in mind that everyone's hair is different. But leave your comments below. Please check the description box for all the products that I used today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone that you feel will benefit from it. It is always a pleasure talking with you guys, and just remember to always stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, okay? Forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. All right, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.